That is awesome dancing! You're dancing around the balloon? Oh, circles? Don't get too dizzy. Tyler, show me some more dance moves. How do you dance? How do you do the hot dog dance? You remember how to do the hot dog dance? Are you doing the hot dog dance down the hall? Do the hot dog dance to Mama. Come back this way. Come back this way and do the dance. Your balloon? Good job. Awesome. You're being a dog?
Yeah.
How do you be a puppy? Don't get tangled in the balloon. Good job.